my PITACHIPS, welcome back to another video. Do not get scared. I know I'm not wearing any sort of makeup, but the reason is because I decided to come to Sephora to get my makeup done. Just decided to do it for fun, also to see different techniques that people use, but also a big part of it is because you guys know that I always do very natural looks and I want to try something different, probably like real glammed up, to see what it looks like on my face, since I always do really natural looks on me. And also I really wanted to come since you guys really enjoyed the Sephora gift card giveaway. In order for you to get a mini makeover at Sephora, you do have to make a purchase of $50 or more, and I figured I'll get 3 more gift cards to give away to 3 of you guys. So if you guys are interested in that, stay tuned. I'll tell you guys later on more about that. Also, I will be announcing the winners for the Hush palette, so if you guys did enter that giveaway, stay tuned because you might be one of the lucky winners. I am extremely nervous because I don't know if they're gonna let us film in there, so make sure to give this video a big thumbs up for good luck, and we'll see how it goes. So let's go into Sephora. Alright, so I came to the Sephora here in Domain. If you're in the Austin location, you know what I'm talking about. So I came to the Sephora, and now that I think about it, guys, why did I come to Sephora on a dang Monday? I should have came on Saturday when it was like my actual birthday. But anyways, we're gonna go into Sephora and hopefully they let us record in there. Alright guys, here we go. Here's Sephora. Let's see how it goes. Since I am waiting for my makeup artist to get here, I'm looking at the stuff, and this palette is so cute. It's a mini eyeshadow palette, $25, which is really affordable for a Natasha Denona palette. And look at that shadow. I'm like trying to swatch, but I can't with my nails. Super pretty, and only $25. Really good. Alright guys, I'm currently in the chair waiting for my makeup artist, so we'll see how this goes. Alright guys, we're gonna start by prepping my skin, and then we're gonna go from there. So she's gonna use all these right here from Philosophy. Okay, so far she's using the Purity by Philosophy as a tester. This is like to cleanse your face, but also to like prep it. Oh my god, this feels so good on the face. I love it. We're set to go. We're getting everything set up, and my skin feels so good. It feels amazing. So we're gonna see how everything turns out. I'm gonna be doing check-ins.
That's pretty much your mapping for the cut crease, because it's from point A to point B. From this point on, you can do whatever you want. If you want to have a nude cut crease, of course you play with the nudes. If you want to have a shimmer cut crease, you can do it. A fan, you can always put orange, burnt orange, and pink over here. Whatever you want. If you use the concealer, it can get really fade. And like you were saying earlier, with the concealer, when you blink, it's going to apply pressure to the eyelids, and it's going to break. Take a look.
Yeah, I see it. Yeah.
Your cut crease from point A to point B, and you're smart.
I like
Feeling
it.
good?
Yeah.
Yay! Awesome.
Okay, this is what it looks like so far, and I'm loving it. Something different, but I like it. Super cute. Alright guys, this is what the makeup looks like. I really like the eyes. I have never done anything with my eyes because I usually just stop here in my eyelid. But I learned so much because he explained so much to me. It just looks a little bit weird because I don't have falsies, but when I get home I'm going to apply some. I like it. So as I was walking towards my car, I saw that they have an elf store. I didn't even know that, so we're going to go inside and check it out and see what they have. I saw this palette for $10. I'm shocked. Do you guys see those swatches? Wow, for just $10. I like the store. It's so cute. I can literally come here and buy like a full face to do up elf. Guys, look at this. This is the swatches for the Velvet Touch. Those are there for $12. That is so beautiful. I love it. I'm really impressed. Look how that one shows up. So pretty. Look how cute their setup is. Oh my god, I love it. Everything is testers. Can I do like a full face of testers here? Love it. Look how cute this bag is from Elf. I'm so going to reuse it. The girl was calling this whole area right here the danger zone because Sephora is over there, then there's Elf, and then NYX is right there, and I started laughing so hard because it's true. Okay, here is NYX, and we're gonna see what they have in here. On the single shadows, they have really pretty shadows. Look at these. That's really pretty. And then I had swatched another one. Oh, this one, 10. Look how pretty those are. Oh my god. And literally you get a single shadow for $4, or you build your own palette for $4. You get 4 shadows for $12. It's really good. And then this one, look at that. Quick stop at Forever to see what we find. I've been eyeballing these earrings for the longest, and I've been wanting to buy a pair, but I feel like they're not gonna look good on me, but I see like everyone's wearing them and I really want them. How cute are these? Oh my god, how much are they? They're legit $5 only. Oh my goodness, look at these. These are super cute as well. Should I take a pair? No, but I'm already wasting too much money now. But I just thought I'd show you guys because I've been wanting a pair like these and they're so beautiful. I just remembered my birthday's gonna be on Saturday and I'm gonna have a birthday bash here, like by downtown. And I need an outfit, right? Duh. Like, I need an outfit. I'm turning 21. I gotta look lit. So I'm actually gonna try to see if I can probably find a dress. By the way, this is what my makeup looks like, natural daylight. Love it. Gio did my makeup and I loved it. He explained to me everything. Now I know how to do a cut crease. Now I know to go a little bit more upper than like my regular eyelid. So really love Gio. He was really helpful. He was such a sweetheart. So yeah, I'll tell you guys more about my experience later on. But right now, girl, I gotta find like my birthday bash, okay, outfit, because like I gotta look good, okay? When we talk about the steals at Forever, taking addition 50% off clearance. So these would be what, $8? Because they're 19. Okay, I see it. I really like it, but I don't see any that are like, I think they're cute, but not for me. But definitely really good. I came to the dress section and everything's like plain and simple, like really spring and summer, but I want something like bam, bedazzled. So unfortunately I couldn't find it here, but they have really cute spring dresses, but just not what I'm looking for.
A few moments later.
Alright, PITACHIPS, I want to talk a little bit more about my experience at Sephora. So Gio was the person that did my makeup. He was my makeup artist. I loved him so much. He's such a sweetheart. I loved his personality. It was so fun while he was doing my makeup. I loved everything. So I did learn a lot of things. He taught me a lot of new techniques. He taught me how to do a cut crease and all this stuff. So I love improving my makeup routine and I love learning new skills. Everyone has skills, so I love learning new techniques and skills that can make me improve in my makeup. So I loved it. Now it does seem like I'm wearing a little bit more blush than usual because he put a little bit more than what I usually use, but I wanted to prepare myself for my birthday because you guys know my birthday is on Saturday and I'm having a birthday bash around the downtown area. So excited for that. I'm turning 21. You guys probably already know that because I've been bugging you, but I'm so excited. So yeah, so I was preparing myself for something more of a nighttime makeup because I do want to do like a nighttime makeup for Saturday. And he did do something very dramatic on the eyes and very settled on the lips. Now my eyes also look a little bit weird because I'm not wearing any falsies, but girl, if I was wearing falsies, let me tell you, like I will be looking really good right now. So I really liked what he did on my eyes. I had never done anything like this, which is glitter and then smoky. Never done it before, so I learned something new and his techniques are amazing. So we'll be putting them to use, testing it out to see how it works for me, but I absolutely loved how he did my makeup. I did get the 3 gift cards that I told you guys for the Sephora giveaway. I'll tell you guys details later on this week, but I did get the 3 gift cards. Besides the gift cards, I did get the Cinema Secrets Pro Cosmetics cleaning brush liquid. It's this one. I used to use this one on makeup school and I absolutely loved it. You clean your brushes with this and it dries instantly, which is what I need. And since I have been getting my Morphe brushes with the Life Glam subscription, I don't want to mess up my brushes. I don't want to risk it. So I got this one because it's really good, except I just got the small bottle because the big one is like really expensive. And then I got the Urban Decay 24/7 Glide On Eye Pencil in Perversion. So Gio actually tight lined my eyes and I had never tight lined my eyes before. So basically it works so good. It makes your eyes look a little bit more sexy and just more put together. So I was like, okay, I need an eyeliner to tight line my eyes, and I got the waterproof eye pencil by Urban Decay right here in Perversion, and I've heard it's like the #1, so I got this one. And then I'm running out of my Nars Creamy Radiant Concealer, and I got it in medium 1 custard this time. Last time I got Canely, but it seemed like it was a little too white for me, so I went with the original one that I always used to get, which is custard. So I got these at Sephora, and then the gift cards. But stay tuned for the gift card giveaway. It'll be sometime next week when I'll tell you guys. And then I went to e.l.f. Can we talk about like how cute the bag is? I love it so much. So at e.l.f., as soon as I walked in, I believe it was Ashley who greeted me, and she was like, oh my god, have you heard about the Gentle Peel and Exfoliant? And I was like, girl, no, what is it? So then she put it in the back of my hand, and I'm gonna show you guys because I was shook. Like when I saw this, I was like, ew, but I want it. Basically, it exfoliates your whole skin. And when she did this on my hand, she was like, imagine if you do this on your face. And I was like, girl, give me that. And it's only $10. Like, $10? Yes, please. So, like, I'm going to put it in the back of my hand. If I can open it. Hello, Pita. Okay, let's see. It takes a long time. Anytime now. Hello. Okay, there we go. Okay, are you guys ready for that? Okay, there we go. Look, I'm going to start blending this all here. Ew, that is disgusting. Do you guys see how it's literally exfoliating? All of that is dirt. That is literally the most disgusting thing I've ever seen, but it's like so satisfying to see that it cleaned my whole hand away. And I'm going to show you guys right now what it looks like after. And it feels so smooth. That's what my hand looks like now. And it's so smooth. Loved it. So if you get a chance to buy this from e.l.f., definitely go ahead and pick it up for only $10. I thought it was great. So these are the small little buys that I got. Oh, and then for the Hush palette winners, I did choose 2 winners. I felt really bad just choosing 1 winner, so I'm going to tell you guys really quickly. So the first winner is Lupita Gutierrez. So Lupita Gutierrez chose Tropics, this one right here. So Lupita, if you could please message me and send me your address through Instagram so I can go ahead and send you your palette. And then Mini Vlogs chose Artistry, this palette right here. So if both of you guys could please message me on Instagram so I can go ahead and send you guys your palettes. And that is it for this video. I really hope you guys enjoyed it. Let me know what you guys think of the makeup. I really loved it. It's something different that I have never done. I love you guys so much, and I will see you guys on the next video. Bye! Make sure you're subscribed so you can watch all of my videos, and if you want to keep on watching more and more videos, make sure to check out yesterday's video. You are not going to want to miss it. It's amazing. Also, if you want to get to know me a little bit better, make sure to subscribe to that vlogging channel right there. And if you can't get enough of me, here is my Spanish channel, so you can go ahead and subscribe. Love you guys so much, and I'll see you tomorrow.